All right, so these puppies are now 7 weeks old, and they're almost ready to go to their forever home. So by the next week, they are ready to get adopted and go to their new families. I know I'm gonna miss them a lot. She is so beautiful. This is the last one born from all, and she's little, tiny, and so beautiful and calm. Come here, and Bunny. Bunny, this guy, he really looks like a bunny. Look, if I hold his ear like this, he's a bunny. Aren't you, Bunny? I love him too. I really love him. So, anyways, I'm making this video. Whoever is just trying to take them away and taking care of them in the future has to take care of them good as I do. So the only thing people, especially in our community, Habesha community, might be upset when the puppies are peeing on the floor and just messing up the house. So what I'm trying to do with this video is I'm just trying to teach their puppies or dogs how to use a doorbell and go out and pee. So this is the doorbell that I bought from Amazon. So it has two parts. One is the transmitter and the other one is the receiver. The receiver is the one which is plugged on the wall. So once your dog or your puppy touches the transmitter sends data to the receiver through Bluetooth, and the receiver, which is on the wall, rings. So this is how you teach them. You take a very, very little, at least almost invisible part of the treat, put it on the top of the transmitter. Once they touch it, it rings. Make sure when it rings to appreciate them and reward them. So you do this twice a day, at least each time for 15 minutes. Again, touch. So after a few days of training, they think whenever they ring the bell, they will get a treat. So they will ring the bell again and again, try to get a treat from you. So as you see on this video, this is Chocolate when he was only like about 4 or 5 months old, 2 or 3 years back. So he was just ringing the bell and trying to come to me and get treats. No. So once you make sure they are able to ring the bell, the next step will be whenever they ring the bell, you open the door and you take them out. Then you give them a treat. Again, they will ring the bell. You make sure you open the door, take them out, and then give them a treat. Come on, let's go. Then after a few days, they knew that whenever they ring the bell, it's time to go out. And then when they learn that, the third step will be whenever you open the door, you tell them to pee. So you do that most of the time early in the morning. Don't open the door without let them ring the bell. So tell them to touch it. Once they touch it, open the door, take them out, and tell them pee. So after a while, after like a few days, they knew they have to ring the bell to go out and pee. All right, anyways, this is how you teach your puppies how to use a doorbell. And I hope you get a lot of information. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.